Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. Just in case if you're new here, my name is Clay. I do makeup here. If that's something that you're interested in, feel free to subscribe and turn on my bell post notifications. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I came from looking like this onto looking like this. Make sure to stay tuned after the intro. First things first we're going to do is I'm going to prime. Take a small amount like that in my hand. I'm almost out. I'm going to take a small bit of setting spray and spray on top of it and mix it into it where it can be less thick. And I'm just going to rub that all over my face. And I'm going to go in with some foundation and put that on the back of my pan with 2 dots. And I'm going to take a foundation brush and apply that directly on the face. While I'm applying that to my face, I got a goal. And it's to get monetized. And if you can you please watch this video all the way through towards the very end? That would be greatly appreciated because I need those watch hours. And feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. Now that I apply that to the face, I'm just going to lightly tap that into the pores to make it more skin-like. Whatever's left over, I'm going to apply that on some of the spots that are peeking through, such as like the zit, and also a little more coverage underneath the eyes with patting motions. And for any uneven surfaces, such as like my forehead, I'm going to take a sponge and blend that out with tapping motions, and also blend out from underneath the eyes in an upward motion. And I'm just going to take a small bit of contour underneath the cheekbones and contour the lid space only today. The reason why I'm doing that is to draw focus to the eyes to add a little more depth. And apply a little bit underneath the lip to make it a little more prominent. A small bit on the forehead to create a little bit of a shadow to make the forehead look a little less big. And I'm going to take a sponge and just blend out those areas with tapping motions. And blend out the forehead, also underneath the brows. I'm going to apply a little bit of loose setting powder in the shade pink since I have a cool undertone. A small bit on the brush and apply that directly underneath the eyes, and also taking whatever's left over down to the side of the nose and a small bit around the smile line and a small bit on the forehead. And I want to take a little bit of a luminizing blush and take a powder brush, press the product into the bristles to give it more of an airbrushed look. And we're just going to do a light blush, or it might be a little bit intense, I don't know. From the side of the face, not exactly on the cheekbones because mine are up here, but all from the side of the face to give it a little more definition. And whatever's left over on the side of the nose. And I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and I'm going to take a separate brush to keep from the look from looking muddy to apply my bronzer. Press the product into the bristles. Whatever excess is left over, knock it off one time. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some warmth to the side of the forehead and blend it downwards. Whatever's left over on the side of the nose. And I'm going to go in with some highlighter, and I'm going to go in with the setting brush and use it as a highlighter brush. And I'm just going to take a small amount and sort of just place it right at the high points of my cheeks because I really want this to be glowy. Whatever's left over is going to go on the nose, and I put a little bit above my brow to give me more of that glow within look. I'm sort of going in with a heart shape so that I could give it more of a dramatic look. There we go. One second, I have to find my highlighter. And I'm going to go in with a bolder eye today. I'm going to go in with the Icy Wifey. I believe this is the Divorce palette. By accident broke the mirror a while back ago. I'm going to go in with this orange shade. I'm going to first go in with this beige shade, and I want this look to be a little more natural, so I'm just going to go directly on the skin since there is primer on the lid from earlier. Go above the crease and just go upwards, sort of just giving it more of a bold look. And whatever just bled over, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out with my finger. Then I'm going to go in with this gray shade all over the lid. And I'm just going to blend that all over the lid. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but trust the process. Then I'm just going to go in with this clean blending brush and just blend it all over the lid. I'm going to take a little more and apply some down in the eyeline. Trying to get a certain look. A little more of a dramatic look. Why is that showing up red on camera but not in person? But it is showing a little red. Okay, I'm going to take a small bit of foundation and sort of clean this up. And I'm going to take the concealer end of this brush and go underneath and pull it upwards and blend that out. Then I'm going to go in with this shimmer shade that is a purple shift with a green undertone, and just apply that directly on the lid. Oh my gosh, that is messing with the frame rate. It is super shiny. Too bad they're out of business. I think they're out of business. Their website's no longer available. And I'm just going to take that across the lid and just sort of just blend that out. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I'm going to take a little bit of mascara. I really do like this formula, but the packaging gets really messy. And just apply that through the lashes. And I'm going to apply that to the bottom lashes. And how I like to apply mascara to the bottom lash is literally just pull down, lightly graze the bottom lashes. Now I'm going to go in with some brow gel and just apply that through the brows, sort of just filling them in and also give them a little bit of definition. And I like to take the inner part and just flip it upwards. And I'm going to go ahead and start working on the lips. My motto is, what is safe for the eyes is safe for the lips. Reason why I'm doing this is to give it a little bit more luminosity and highlight the lips. And I'm going to take this e.l.f. I'm going to go ahead and take this e.l.f. lip oil and apply it directly on the lips. I love this so far. It is a beautiful color. And I'm just applying that on the lips. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to go ahead and finish up this eye off camera. And the only thing I got to do left is just set the look. And I'm just going to drown the face. And this is the complete look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to all your friends. My hair looks like a mess. Fuck that. And this is the complete look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to all your friends. And with that being said, I do thank you for watching. Remember to do all things with love. And until next time, bye. Hey y'all, if you can you please go follow me over on Instagram? I have a goal to reach 5,000 followers so that I will be able to have the capability to create a Instagram channel messaging portal thing, group chat, where I will be able to add all my followers to it, and I will be able to share my videos to that channel, so that all of y'all will be able to be notified immediately as soon as I post. The reason why I want to do this is because sometimes YouTube does not notify my subscribers who have my post notifications on. I see that as the best way to be able to notify y'all and update y'all, and also show you behind the scenes so that you can get more of a personal look. If you can, please go follow me over there, and as soon as I reach 5,000 followers, I will create that for y'all.